From the moment you pull up, you can tell this home has been meticulously maintained. With 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, there's space for everyone. Step inside, and the grand entry welcomes you with soaring 9-foot ceilings and an abundance of natural light. The light carries you into the family room, where a cozy gas fireplace sets the tone. The main level den offers flexible space, a home office, a craft room, or even a 5th bedroom. The open concept kitchen is truly the heart of the home, with gorgeous countertops, a center island, and a breakfast area, all flowing into a generously sized dining room and a convenient main level bath, perfect for hosting. Upstairs, you'll find all 4 bedrooms, including a beautiful primary suite with dual vanities and a large walk-in closet. Your own retreat after a long day. Outside, enjoy a front irrigation system, a covered front porch, and a covered rear patio backing up to the spacious, newer vinyl fenced yard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Ready to see it for yourself? Give April Lehman a call today.